Yeah, please read, please.
Proportional controller has a gain of 2. What is the
Proportional controller has gain of 2, Shabab. Very good. KC2.
Yes, what is the proportional band?
So what is proportional band, Shabab? Proportional band is equal to 100 over KC. So what is KC? 2. So it is 50% is the proportional band. Yes, brother, please read part B.
An air tank is controlled as follows. PSI equal 0% and PSI 15 equal 100%.
So 3 psi, 3 psi is equal to 100% and
15 with 100, teacher.
3 psi 0% and 15 psi 100%. 15 psi 100%. This is the calibration. Yes, brother.
FPV is equal 7 psi.
Right now, the PV, the process variable is 7 psi. Yes.
Process is receive and set point equal 50%.
The control action is reverse, and the set point
Reverse.
set point is 50%. Yes, brother.
Then output of the controller equal M.
We need to find and we need to draw it. So we will find the output and also we will draw it. Draw with me? Brothers with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers are typing yes. That's good. So what is the output? Output is equal to KCE plus MR. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? That's good.
Yes,
Lot of brothers are typing yes. So here KC is what? How much is KC?
Is 2.
That's good. That's good. Lot of brothers. 2. How much is error? 50 minus 7. And luckily MR is not given, so we will not take the MR. We say it is 0. Is it correct, Shabab?
You need to convert the 50%.
Not correct. Why is not correct?
You need to convert.
Okay.
Percentage.
He's saying change PSI to percentage. He's saying the PV convert 7 PSI into percentage. Why not we convert 50% into PSI? Why not?
Because we want error percentage. Error
Why
percentage.
we need error percentage? Why don't we just convert this PSI 50% into PSI? Why not?
Can't do this, teacher. We cannot do this. We cannot do this, teacher, because there's
Why
a
not?
difference
That's my
unit.
point.
Differences unit. I can't equal this. I can make equation of the differences unit. So I have to transform the units BSI to percent.
See, Shabab, this formula is working in just in percentage. Right, Shabab? Here, error should be in percentage. MR should be in percentage. Output is also in percentage. This formula is just for percentage. If you want to convert into PSI, you can convert it. If you want to convert it into milliampere, you can convert it. But how many units you will convert? So my suggestion, always keep like this, everything in percentage. So This is the reason we need to convert the 7 psi into percentage. So to get the error in percentage. Okay, Shabab, how we bring the 7 psi in percentage? What is the procedure? Yeah, Shabab, we have 7 psi, we need the percentage. How we convert it? Yes, brother. Very good.
Teacher.
Very good. Two-line
Teacher.
method. Two-line. All
Teacher.
time famous two-line method. So
Teacher.
it is 3. Yes. Yes, please.
I have issue in internet and every minute maybe I internet kick me out and come back.
No problem. No problem.
No problem because attendance, teacher.
Once somebody is here, his attendance is there. Don't worry, inshallah.
Okay, teacher. But
The
there is
system is taking
several
the
time
attendance automatically.
kick me out and come back, teacher.
So
That's why
maybe this is internet problem, but don't worry. The attendance is taken by the system automatically. You got
Okay,
my
teacher.
point?
I got you.
So this is 3 to 15 psi, Shabab, and 0 to 100%. Okay, Shabab, how much psi we have? 6.8, right? How many psi we have? 7 psi. 7 psi, and we need to find the percentage. So how much percentage, Shabab? No, everybody is expert for this. How much percentage? Yes, Shabab, how much percentage? Very good, 33.34. 33.34%. So what is the error, Shabab? Error is how much? The action is reverse. Action is what, Shabab? Reverse. So SP minus PV. SP is how much, Shabab? How much is SP? 50. And PV 33.34. So how much error? How much error, Shabab? Yes, brother. Lot of brothers. That's good. That's good. Lot of brothers are writing. 16.66%. This is the error. 16.66%. So we put in the this output formula here. So output is equal to Kc. How much Kc, Shabab? Kc was how much? 2. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 2. Error 16.66. MR is not given. We take it 0. So how much is the output? 33.34%. Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers they answer very good. Okay, Shabab, draw it. Get the draw it. Draw the output. Get the first. This output we need to draw. Get the first. This is time. This is output. Also draw the error. Also draw the output. Get the first, Shabab. So this is percentage. Yeah, Shabab. Somebody wanna get the first? Somebody is trying, Shabab? Yes, okay, I'm waiting. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. I'm waiting, Shabab. Please try. Yes, brother. How much is the error? 16.66. So this is the error, 16.66%. Okay, so tell me which line is correct. Blue one is correct, red one is correct, or black one is correct. Which one is correct? Which line is correct? Yeah, Shema, blue one is correct, red one is correct, black one is correct. Which one is correct?
Black, teacher, because it's reverse.
For the error, this is error, Shabab, error. Which one is correct? Just 2-3 brothers they are saying blue, all other brothers they are saying black. This is not good, Shabab. See, error is just without T. There is no T here. It is constant. With the time it is not changing. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. It is not changing. There is no T here.
Right, teacher, right,
So
teacher.
it has to have blue, constant. It is constant line. Both other lines they were changing with time. In the revision day, we already discussed this thing. So the blue line is the constant line that is not changing with the time. This is error. Okay, Shabab. Output is what? 33.34%. Right, Shabab? So this is correct line for the output, or this one is correct line. Red one. Which one is the correct line? 33.34%. 33.34%. Which one is the correct line, Shabab? Blue or red or black? Which one?
Black.
Why black?
Because 33 is bigger than 16.
That's good, very good. So logically 16 cannot be above, 33 cannot be below. So black one is the correct line, and we are saying it is output. Right, Shabab? So again, with the output there is no T. Time is not involved. It is constant forever. 33.34%. So we have a straight constant line. Shabab with me?
This is with you.
Okay, Shabab. Now with this output, if the valve is normally open and normally closed, how much open? This is the output, 3.3%. Output is how much, Shabab? This is the output, 33.34%. This is the output. How much valve is open? If it is normally open and if it is normally closed, how much it is open? Yes, Shabab, how are we going to find it? A lot of brothers, they are writing the answer. Again, maybe your answer is correct, but in the exam you need to give the logic. Just answer, you cannot get the marks. Even your logic is wrong, give the logic. Your logic may be wrong, but you will get some marks. But you just give the answer, maybe your answer is correct. Without logic, there is no marks for that. Shabab with me? So please need to give the logic. So what is the logic? You remember these 3 lines. Everybody remember them, right? Right, Shabab? Remember these ones? Output goes from where to where? 0 to 100%. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Lot of brothers typing yes. That's good. That's good. So normally open valve, normally closed valve. Okay, Shabab. Normally open valve. How much open here? With no signal. How much open? 100% open. Very good. Lot of brothers they are typing 100% open. How much open here? 0% open. And we don't need the close because the question is just open. See, the question is just open. So we don't need the close. Normally closed valve. How much open here? Okay, sir, normally closed. How much closed here? 100% closed. How much closed here? 0% closed. But we need open. So how much open here? 100% closed. How much open? 0%. Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0% open. And here 100% open. Now what is the output, Shiva? What is the output? 33.34%. Output is 33.34%. So it should be where? It should be here. This is correct place? Is this correct place, Shiva? No. Lot of brothers are telling no. Very good. Very good. This is not correct place. It should be other way around. It should be somewhere here. 33.34% should be somewhere here. Right, Shabab? So how much open? If it is normally open, how much open, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. If it is normally open, how much open? Very good. 77 point. Not 77, Shabab.
66, teacher.
66. Yes, 66.
Teacher, point 76.
Huh?
Sixty 66.66.
Sorry?
It's equal 66.66. 0.66.
66.66.
Yes.
Okay. Any other brother, Shabab? Any other brother wanna correct us? Yes, please. Is it correct now, Shabab? See, this is some brother are writing 33.34% open. We are talking about normally open wall, Shabab. It is open here 100%. See, this is 100% here. Here it is 0%. So signal is 33%. This is 33. So from if you go by this side, it is 66.66% open. For normally open wall. Shabab with me? Still somebody is not clear, some brother is not clear, please ask. A lot of brothers they are writing clear. Okay, now come here. How much closed? This is again we need open. Normally closed. How much open? So how much open here, Shabab?
33.34.
Yes, how much open?
33.34.
Very good. 33.34% open. Any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. A lot of brothers they are typing the same number. Yes, Shabab.
I have
Any
a
question up to
question.
here?
I have a question,
Yes,
teacher.
please.
The
Yes, please.
proportional band does it affect the valve opening also or no?
So in the starting, we find the proportional band. The gain was 2. Proportional band was what?
50%.
50. You remember?
Yes.
In this problem, from where we start? We start with the gain 2. Remember?
Yes.
Okay, the proportional band 50. If we make the proportional band 25, how much will be the gain?
Again,
Gain will be 4
and will be
times.
4.
4. So if the gain is 4, this output will be what? Double. Right?
Yes.
This output, if the gain, before the gain was KCE, before the gain was 2. Now you make the gain how much? 4. The output will be what? Double of this.
Okay.
Right?
Yes. Clear.
You got my point?
I get it.
That's good. Alhamdulillah. Okay, Shabab. Please read the second problem.
Teacher,
Yes, brother.
how many normal close, teacher, in last question?
See it still here. This without no signal, 100% closed. That's why we say nominal closed. So signal is here, 33.34. So how much closed? How much open? 0% open from this side. Because we are interested in open. See here the question. We are interested in what? How much? Open. Right? So you tell me how much open?
3.34.
Yes. Yes. You are correct. Now you please read the second question. Please.
A proportional controller has a proportional band of 80. What is the proportional gain?
Yes, Shabab, how much is the gain? 100 over 80, how much? Yes, brother, how much? 1.25. Lot of brother tapping. Very good. Very good. Yes, brother, please continue.
A level tank is calibrated as follows.
This is the level tank. Level tank is calibrated as follows. Yes, brother.
3 mm equals 0% millimeter.
30 mm. Mm is what?
0%.
What is mm? Mm mean what? Millimeter.
Yeah,
Yes.
and 130 millimeter 100%.
130 millimeter is equal to
100%.
100%. Very good. Very good. Yes.
If process variable PV equal 65%
65%. Very good.
and set
Set
point
point.
equal to 80 millimeter.
80 millimeter. Very good.
A manual reset is 25%. Then what
Manual
is
reset is 25%.
what's the output M?
And manual
We need to find M, yeah.
manual reset is 15%. And we need to find the output of controller and yes, Shabab. So we are saying we have given the gain, we have given the PV, SP, and we have been given 2 MRs. Right, Shabab? So what is we need to find? We need to find the output and we need to draw it. Yes, Shabab. What should be our first step? How we should start it?
Convert 18 LSB to burst.
Yes, brother. Very good. Very good. So this brother is telling us convert the 80 millimeter into percentage because we need the error. This formula we have M is equal to Kc E plus MR. Here error should be in percentage. So you convert this one in percentage. Very good. Okay, how we convert in percentage, Shabab? How we
By
convert it into
two-line method.
percentage?
By two-line method.
By two-line method. So always we draw the two lines, right? The two lines are there, and it is going from 30 millimeter to 100, 30 millimeter, 0 to 100%, and how much we have? 80 millimeter, and we need to find this one X. So how much X, Shabab? X is how much? Very good, 50%. Auto brother, they are typing 50%. This is our X. Right, Shabab? So this is our X. That's what is? It is set point or PV? What is it? Set point. Lot of brother, they are writing set point. Very good. Okay, how much is PV? PV is how much, Shabab? 65%. Lot of brothers, they are writing 65%. That's good. So how much error? What is our error, Shabab? How much is the error? Somebody is writing 25, somebody is writing 15. How do you know that? How do you know it is 15? Yes, Shabab. How do you know it is 15?
Teacher,
Yes.
minus 15 because teacher set point minus PV in reverse.
How do you know that? How do you know
Reverse,
that it is
teacher.
reverse? Where it is written, it is reverse. Who told you it is reverse? Somebody is writing here SP minus PV. Why, Shabab? Why? Why SP? Why not PV minus SP? Who told you it is reverse? Is it written in the question? It is reverse? Yes, Shabab. Is it written there? It is reverse? Not written. So if it is not written, how you can say it is reverse? Maybe it is direct. So
We do
until
both.
unless we do both, if it is not written or there is no way to find out it. In some questions, maybe you see there are some ways to find out it is direct or reverse. If there is no way to find out, it is not given, we have to do the both. So we will do both. Right, Shabab? So here direct action, here reverse action. Direct controller action, reverse controller action. Right, Shabab? Okay, for direct, what is the error? What is error for direct, Shabab? PV minus SP.
15.
How much PV? PV is 65 minus 50. How much? 15%. What is error for the reverse? What is error for the reverse, Shabab?
SP minus BV.
Lot of brothers are saying minus 15.
B equals
Yes.
minus
SP
15.
minus PV. Very good. So 15 minus 65. How much, Shabab? Minus 15. That's Shabab? Yes, brother. Is it okay up to here? Lot of brothers are typing yes. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now, how many MR we have? How many MR we have, Shabab? How many MR? 2. So again, we need to divide into 2. Here MR 25%. Here MR 50%. Here MR 25%. Here MR 50%. Right, Shabab? So output is equal to what? KCE plus MR. How much KC, Shabab? How much KC?
1.25.
1.25. Very good. 1.25. What is the error? How much is the error?
15%.
Very good. Lot of brothers are writing 15. MR 25. How much, Shabab? 43.75. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing it. 43.75%. Very good, Shabab. Okay. Same here. M is equal to how much KC? KC how much, Shabab? 1.25. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. MashaAllah. How much error? 15. How much MR? 50. Altogether how much, Shabab? 68.75. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing it. 68.75%. Very good, Shabab. Okay, Shabab. Come here. Output is equal to KC. How much KC? 1.25. What is error, Shabab? What is error? Very good. Minus 15 plus MR 25. How much, Shabab? How much? Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 6.25%. Very good, Shabab. Very good. Okay, Shabab. Come here. M is equal to KC 1.25, error minus 15, MR 50. How much, Shabab? Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 31.25%. So, we have 4 outputs. So, just for our ease, we give them some name. We say this is M1, M2, M3, M4. And now we need to draw them. Right, Shabab? We need to draw them. So please draw, show me, get the first. Whoever draw them, show me, get the first, Shabab. Draw them, show me, get the first, Shabab. Somebody is trying, Shabab?
Teacher, yeah.
That's good. If you're trying, that's good. Yes, brother. Somebody trying? Okay, let me give a solution and you guys judge, is it correct or not?
I did.
You did? Okay, please show me, please.
Okay.
So where is this one? 68.75. You are putting it under 25.
I put
68 one you are putting under 25. We need to fix it. See,
Okay.
this is 25 is 68 is below, 25 is above. Please
Oh,
check it.
okay, what's 67? Oh, it's 68.
This brother is very good. You did very
I
good.
finished,
But
teacher.
little mistake is there. No problem. We will check the mistake.
Okay, okay.
Please show me. Yes, brother, please show. Brother, please. There is an urgent call. हाँ जी वालेकुम सलाम जी अच्छा अच्छा ठीक ठीक ओके बाय Thank you very much, brother. sorry, there was like urgent call, from the chairman. Yes. Yes, brother. Somebody wanna show?
I finished, teacher.
Yeah, please show. Please show us. Please. Are you showing, brother? Make it more clear. Make it more closer, brother. Make it near to camera, please. Make it more near to camera. Yeah, that's good. Tell me your ID. What is your ID? Tell me your ID, brother. Please tell me your ID.
391-902-158. Hussein.
391. Yes.
902-158.
391
902-158.
902 Okay, that's good. That's good, mashallah. I get it. I get it. Okay, see other brothers. See here. This is our percentage axis. This is our time axis. So luckily, our outputs are constant. There is no T. So, like one of our brother, they drew them like this. He made the 4 straight lines, 4 constant lines, and they are coming like this: 43.75, here 68.75, here 6.25, and here 31.25. And this is M1, M2, M3, M4. Is it correct like this, Shabab? Is it correct like this? No,
No, teacher.
not at all. Not at all. This is against the number line. You remember the number line. 0 in the middle, 1, 2, 3 this side, 4, 5, 6 this side. So this is not correct at all. The smallest, I am not saying you draw it according to scale, but it should be drawn according to logic. The smallest one is 6.25%, right? Then the bigger one, 31.25%. Then the bigger one, 43.75%. And then the bigger one, 68.75%. Now, this is not M1, this is not M2, this is not M3, this is not M4. We need to change them. So, 6.25 is what? M3. 31.25 is what? M4. 43.75 is what? M1. And 68.75 is what? M2. So, this one is the proper way. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any brother has any question? That's good. A lot of brothers, they are saying no. That's good. That's very good. So, brother, please read the next question. Question number 3. Yes, brother, who is reading question 3? Please read. Yes, brother, please read question 3. Yeah, Shabab, please read.
teacher, which bit?
Who's reading?
Which bit, teacher?
Page 22, question 3.3. Yeah, Shabab, please read.
Can I read, teacher?
Yeah, please, you read.
In a temperature control application, the range from controller
Yeah,
output is 4 to 20 milliampere.
that's good. Very good.
The professional broadband is 20.
Very good. Professional band is 20%. Yes.
And the difference between set point and the measured value is 8%.
So what is this? The difference between set point and measured value is what, Shabab?
Is 8, teacher.
Error, teacher.
Error. Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing error. So error is 8%. It is given. Yes.
What will be the value
Yes,
of
brother.
controller output
We
in
need controller
milliampere?
output in milliampere, PSI. Yes.
C is
Yeah, please complete it.
equal to 40.
C0 is equal to 40. C0 mean initial
40, yes.
condition. That is MR. MR is equal to 40%. Right, Shabab? This is part A. Okay, Shabab. Output of the controller is what? KCE plus MR. What is KCE here? What is the KCE here, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab, what is KCE? KCE is what? From proportional band to any, how much KCE? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing 5. Very good, very good. 5 is the KCE. How much error? Error is how much, Shabab? Very good. 8 it is given. This is given here. See, given. How much MR? 40. What is the answer? What is the answer, Shabab? 80%. Lot of brothers they are writing 80%. Very good. So output of the controller is 80%. Very good, Shabab. Very nice. Very good. Yes, brother. Please read the part B.
How much value will be open? It valve is
No.
normally open or
Not this part B. The other part of this question. We need to find milliampere and PSI. Right, Shabab? For this output, we need to find milliampere and PSI. So how are we going to find them? How we find them?
Two-line method.
Two-line method. Very good. Same old way. We have 2 lines. We draw the 2 lines. Right, Shabab? So 4 to 20 milliampere, 3 to 15 PSI, and output is 0 to 100%. So we have 80% here. Find X, find Y. So you will get the milliampere and PSI both. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here? Please ask. Yes, please.
Teacher, now this 100, now the proportional band multiply the gain equal 100. This 100 is
Yes.
constant, it will not change.
Yes, it is constant. 100 constant.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This 100 constant. This is always, let me write it again. Kc into Pb is equal to 100. This is always constant. Theoretically. Yes, brother, now you read the part B, please. Yes, brother, please read the part B.
how much valve will be open if valve is normally open or normally closed?
So we are interested in how much it is open.
Yes.
If the valve is normally open and normally closed. So same again, we have this diagram with us. Again, we can guess orally, we can think in our brain here, but again, we need to give the logic. Without logic, no marks. So output goes from 0 to 100%. And it is normally open, normally closed. If it is normally open, Shubham, here how much open? Here how much open?
100%.
That's good. That's good. 100% open. Lot of brothers they are writing here 0% open. We are not interested in close. Normally close. How much? 100% closed here. And here 0% closed. So how much open? Because we are interested in open, 0% open. And here 100% open. So how much is our signal? What is our signal? How much is our signal, Shabab? 80%. So 80% should be where? This side? Should be this side 80%?
No,
Yes,
no.
Shabab. It should be this side? No. Very good. This side. This side is the 80%. So, how much open, Shabab? How much open here? If it is normally open, how much open? If it is normally
20%.
open, how much open? 20%. Very good. If it is normally closed, how much open?
80%.
80%. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing the same answer. Very good. Yes, brothers. Any question up to here? Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing the answer. Yes, brother. Any question up to here? Please ask. Yes, Shiva, please ask.
Teacher, can you
Yes, please.
back for the previous previous number 8?
This one?
Yes, teacher. How you find,
Yes,
teacher?
please.
How you find the process again? Okay, teacher. How you
This is it. Proportional band is how much? How much is the proportional band?
20.
20.
20.
100 over 20, how much?
5.
That's it.
Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. Yes, brother. Any other brother has any question, please ask.
Also, teacher, milliampere, teacher, because I have bad connection. I can't hear you very well, teacher.
See here, 4 to 20 milliampere, 3 to 15 psi, find XY. You know how to find it?
2 method, 2 line.
Sorry?
You use
Yeah, two-line method, yes.
No, I
Yes.
understand. Thank you, teacher.
That's good. That's good. Any other brother has any questions, Shabab, please ask. Yes, Shabab, please ask any question, please. So some brother has question, Shabab? Nobody has any question? Lot of brothers they are typing no. Okay, no problem. That's good. Alhamdulillah, if, everything is fine. That is good. So, inshallah, today we are stopping here, right? And inshallah, coming week we will start from here. I am saying again, if some brother has any problem out of the class, any brother can ask anything. If you guys wanna have some, you need to understand some problem, you can ask out of the class anything. You can ask. You can ask me in the lab or whenever you want. Yes.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
In the practical.
Sorry? Yes.
The practical class. So there is in the lab manual there is a question. Did not give me every information I need. Did not give me MR. So I couldn't
Sorry?
calculate. Lab manual.
See,
Okay.
for the lab question, whenever you have, please ask me in the lab, no problem. You know, and even
But-
out of the lab, you can ask. No, if you see me sitting in my office, you can ask, no problem.
The report is due on the day of the lab. I need to finish it before class.
When is your date?
Sunday.
Okay.